Hey everyone, my name is Ryan McNichol and I teach AP Seminar, which is part of the AP Capstone program.
And I'm Diana Shu, and I teach AP Research, which is the last course in the AP Capstone program.
So we both wanted to just talk a little bit about what the program is about and what our courses entail. So the program is a two-year program. There's two courses that you take, AP Seminar and AP Research. And the point of the program, the point of the courses are to teach students skills that they're going to need in college. They don't necessarily get a chance to really learn how to do in other high school courses. It was created by the College Board for that reason. Basically, the point of the program is to help students develop skills that relate to critical thinking, how to argue effectively, how to conduct research, how to take what they found, research that they found, and present that in a way to back up a certain argument or back up a solution to a problem, and then how to communicate that effectively. And so both courses kind of allow students to explore many different interests, many different topics as they work through these different skills. Like I said, the point of the program is to kind of talk through or teach students how to analyze different information, how to write effectively, how to research effectively. And they really get to spend the entire year exploring something that interests them. And Ms. Shu, you can talk a little bit about some of the things that they do in AP Research to kind of help with that.
Yeah, so the great thing about AP Seminar and AP Research is the topic you explore in AP Seminar, you can continue to explore in AP Research. In AP Research, though, you actually come up with an original research project, which means you design the project, the study, you carry out the study, you collect data, you analyze your data. So by the end of the class, you end up with a paper, an academic paper that you can then take to college. And if you're interested in doing research in college, you can hand it to a professor and say, well, I already understand how research works. So it definitely puts you ahead of, I think, a lot of other candidates in college for one of those reasons.
Yeah, it's a great thing to help on college applications and on resumes. One of the things that I know we've seen from students in the program in the past is that when they get into college, there's more opportunities for them, especially if they're interested in doing something involving research, can help them, like Ms. Shu just said, stand out in the college admissions process. And in seminar, they get to do some of that same sort of stuff with exploring topics they're interested in. I've seen topics that range from video games and like esports, all the way to solving like current real world problems like homelessness and things like that. So students really have the opportunity, like Ms. Shu said, to get into topics that they may not have a chance to really explore in other school settings, and learn some useful skills as they do that.
And you don't have to be a researcher when you come into class. That's the skill you're going to learn, and that's why I think it's exciting, because you could pick anything from comic books to homelessness. And both courses prepare you and take you through the research process so that by the end, you are a researcher because you have those skills.
Yeah, one of the nice things about the program is that generally the pass rate is pretty high. And I know that's something that a lot of folks always ask about, both for seminar and research, as you can see on the slides there. The pass rates are above 80%. And so it's not a course, not courses that are going to require you to have to study a bunch of material and memorize that or remember it for a big exam. The score is based mostly on what you do in class. In AP Seminar, most of your AP score is based on the two papers and two presentations that you do related to the topic that you pick. And in AP Research, it's just that one presentation and one paper.
Right.
A couple other things that are nice about the program. In general, there's not very much homework. I know in AP Seminar, once we get past the first 9 weeks or so, there's not really anything that you're doing separately as homework. Most of what you're focused on is working through a group paper and a group presentation, and then an individual one that focus on a topic of your choice that you have to solve basically a real world problem. We also, when we get to those presentations, a lot of students sort of are curious about flexibility, that sort of thing in presentations, and we can be very flexible in terms of when you present, how you present, in front of everyone, not in front of everyone. So if that's something you're worried about, don't be. So just be on the lookout for some invitations from your guidance counselors, or stop by the front office and let Dr. Prado know that you're interested in the program. What do you guys like most about AP Capstone?
It's fun to research topics that you're interested in.
The teachers are great. I like working with my friends. It looks good on college applications.